Okay, so let's take a look at how you can embed Vimeo video into WordPress page or post using Builder. So pick the video that you wish to embed. Okay, now let it show you the options for sharing. Okay, here you can see options for embed, and within this particular text box you get the code. So click on show options, and this will show you options for size. You can choose responsive so that it will auto adjust, and the code at the top will also adjust accordingly. You can loop this video, autoplay, and also show the link below. Right, so what we'll do is we'll keep these settings as this. Okay, so next thing, go to WordPress dashboard, go to pages or post where you wish to embed. Next, end this with Builder. Check the tree view. Here you have section. Now here I wish to add element, which is content. Add custom code. Make sure to expand this. Right, and click on the edit element. Make sure to copy this code, then paste it here, then save and publish the page. Right, now we'll look to this particular page in new tab, and here you see the Vimeo video is embedded along with the text link linking to that particular file. You can disable that from these options. Make sure to copy the code again, paste it, and now as you can see, if we save and publish this, in that particular view you have to refresh the page, and as you can see, it's removed. So you get the idea how to embed Vimeo video into WordPress page or post using Builder.